Test paper 1 of A Bottle of Dew, Class 6, Subject English, Marks 25, Time 1 hour. Section A, Multiple choice question, 5 into 1, that is 5 marks, and 1 mark each. Choose the correct option. What was Ramanatha's main goal in collecting dew? To use it for farming, to drink it for good health, to turn objects into gold, to sell it in the market. Number 2. How did Madhumati contribute to the family's earnings? By helping collect dew, by taking the banana crop to the market, by working for the sage, by buying magic potions. Number 3. What did the sage do to the bottle of dew? Poured it on a copper vessel, spoke a few words over it, drank it to gain wisdom, sold it for gold coins. Number 4. What lesson did Ramanatha learn in the end? Hard work brings true wealth. Magic can change one's fate. Dew can turn things into gold. The sage was a trickster. Number 5. What did Madhumati finally show to Ramanatha? A bag of magic dust, a box full of gold coins, a letter from the sage, a bottle of real gold water. Section B. Fill in the blanks. 5 into 1. Ramanatha spent dash years collecting dew. Number 7. The sage tricked Ramanatha to teach him the value of dash. Number 8. Madhumati took the banana crop to the dash to sell it. Number 9. Ramanatha expected the dew to turn things into dash. Number 10. The sage's real lesson was that hard work leads to dash. Section C. True or false. 5 into 1. Write true or false for the following statements. Number 11. The sage actually has a magic potion that turned things into gold. Number 12. Ramanatha became rich by selling the dew in the market. Number 13. Madhumati supported her husband by selling bananas. Number 14. Ramanatha felt happy when the dew didn't work. Number 15. The story teaches us that wealth is created through magic. Section D. Short answer questions. 3 into 2. Why did Ramanatha believe in the magic potion? How did the sage teach Ramanatha the importance of hard work? 18. What was Madhumati's role in the story? Section E. Long answer question. 1 into 4. 19. What is the moral of a bottle of dew? How can we apply it in real life? That's it. This is the end of the question paper. You have to find out the answers. Pause the video and answer all the questions, and then match your answers to the answers of mine. Okay, let's see the answers. Here are the answers for the test paper 1, bottle of dew. Section A, multiple choice question. What was Ramanatha's main goal in collecting dew? To turn objects into gold. How did Madhumati contribute to the family's earnings? By taking the banana crop to the market. What did the sage do to the bottle of dew? Poured it on a copper vessel. What lesson did Ramanatha learn in the end? Hard work brings true wealth. What did Madhumati finally show to Ramanatha? A box full of gold coins. Section B, fill in the blanks. Ramanatha spent 6 years collecting dew. The sage tricked Ramanatha to teach him the value of hard work. Madhumati took the banana crop to the market to sell it. Ramanatha expected the dew to turn things into gold. The sage's real lesson was that hard work leads to success or wealth. Section C, true or false. The sage actually had a magic potion that turned things into gold. False. Ramanatha became rich by selling the dew in the market. False. Madhumati supported her husband by selling bananas. True. Ramanatha felt happy when the dew didn't work. False. The story teaches us that wealth is created through magic. False. Section D, short answer question. 16. Why did Ramanatha believe in the magic potion? Because he wanted an easy and quick way to become rich without hard work. 17. How did the sage teach Ramanatha the importance of the hard work? The sage made Ramanatha work hard by growing bananas and collecting dew, showing him that wealth comes from effort, not magic. 18. What was Madhumati's role in the story? Madhumati helped Ramanatha by collecting the banana crop and selling it in the market, supporting the family's livelihood. Section E, long answer question. 19. What is the moral of a bottle of dew? How can we apply it in real life? The moral is that hard work and patience are the true keys to success, not magic or shortcuts. In real life, this teaches us to be diligent, persistent, and practical in achieving our goals rather than looking for easy fixes. Thank you very much.